If I'm to wait here till the sun is just at the right angle, the perfect angle, and this room is well painted, and I have a table, I have a chair, I have a studio light, I have good mic, and this bed looks like it's from heaven, I will wait here for 3 years. Hey people, my name is Anthony Sharif and welcome to my space. I recently moved down to this city in hopes to find good bread. Nani? And I found one. Anyways, I'm just kidding. So I've been making films and telling stories with pictures for approximately 5 good years now. I started while I was still in the university or college, as most part of the world will call it. I'm done with school and I hope to push that career and that passion even more and inspire more persons with this channel and teach all of the stuff that I've gathered along the years, things that I feel like have worked for me and that might work for you as well if you implement them properly. And this is just going to be a platform where you also have an idea of how I live my life as a person, and I plan on starting production on a very fresh slate in this space. For this very first episode, I'll be showing you what the space looks like, and then you have an idea of what $1,800 can get you in Lagos, Nigeria for a 1-year rent. What do I call this episode? A Day in My Life, Part 1. Currently, it's a fresh space. There is almost nothing in this room. It's very empty. It just, all of the things you're seeing currently. But it's comfortable, it's good. I have good lights over here. I have, the water in Lagos Island. It's bad. Spoiler alert if you're planning to come to Lagos from anywhere in Nigeria or in the world. The water here is bad. So this is my sweet bed. Strong bed. This looks like it's going to last forever. I do all of my work here and I sleep here as well. And I even eat here because this is like my table and my chair. It's a fresh space and I hope to put everything together as the months go by. Pretty decent. This is not my first time trying to do YouTube. I have tried YouTube several times but never uploaded anything. What's up, guys? Alright guys, so I am done with my people. Hello guys. Alright guys, so this is like out here plans before. So guys, so there's a saying that goes, your first video will be your worst video. I find that to be very true to a very large extent because things will not look the way you want them to look immediately. But who's perfect? Pick up a camera, pick up a phone and film yourself, tell a story, and we are going to watch. Someone is going to watch your videos, for sure. So while I'm starting my journey, I hope to see you start your journey as well, and let's just help each other grow. Yeah, help each other grow. Why can't we help each other grow, really? The Bible says in 1 John 3, NLT, if someone has enough money to live and sees a brother or a sister in need but shows no compassion, how can God's love be in that person? What does this mean? Help each other grow. Since video production, it's in a very mass circulation currently with the rise of TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, and all of the apps that are out there. You might want to push your production level to the next, and to the next, and to the next. So I will try to share my own vision, my own idea that I've implemented over the years of production. So people, this is the end of this episode and I want you to please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, which is going to really help me. Leave a comment on what you want to see next. I could do what's in my wardrobe. As you can see, I have a water bottle that has no water inside. I have very good peanut butter, some Nescafe and a spoon. Some books, drawing kits, boxers, and one chance, because I like them. Speaker, screwdriver set, charger. This is a very old knife, major stuff. Spare tissue papers, my gamepad, some money. No clothes. I got rid of a lot of clothes because I feel like I have outworn them and they are due for change. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching this video, and do help me leave a like on this one so it could help the algorithm push this video to more people, and you could subscribe if you want to. It's going to be an amazing journey. Just stick around, and I hope to share more. I hope to share more beautiful and insightful stuff for you in the future to come. See you in the next one. So people, this is the end of the chat. So people, this is the end of the first episode of my YouTube channel. What? I could do what's in my wardrobe next, or what's in my bathroom. Truth is, I don't have anything in this house. That's just the truth. So people, this is the end of the first episode of this. Of what?